Hi, honey.
Hi there, what you doing?
I'm trying to write something here, trying to create this video, but yeah, it's really, I got nothing. What are you doing? Okay, love you, honey. Bye.
You say I should journal every day, but I don't.
So this idea that you have a YouTube channel and you're gonna make all this phenomenal, amazing, like adventurous, exciting stuff, it doesn't get any easier. Trying to create videos, trying to come up with concepts, come up with original ideas, it's really, really hard. And that's something I struggle with, and that's the reality of trying to upload consistently. And you get into this sort of procrastination state, as you've just seen, where you have so many distractions, so many other things you want to do. For anybody that's trying to start a new channel, you have this excitement. You watch these great YouTubers and you get really inspired and encouraged, and you're like, I want to do what they're doing. I want to have some fun. And then when it comes down to you making something, you're like, what do I make? What's it going to be about? It's just extremely, sometimes frustrating.
To do dumb shit if I want, but that's not really what I wanna do. It's the principle that matters. At least that's what I tell myself.
So one way that I get past that sort of stalemate of what am I going to create? I don't know what to create. My brain is just shut off. My creative brain shut down. What am I going to do? For me, I'll just pick up the camera, put on a funny lens or something unusual, start filming stuff. I'll go out and drive out somewhere into the nature, film something. Then go out to the city, just get the thing rolling. Or if you're at home, film some little sequence of you making coffee, something to get out of that stuck mental state. Because if you stay in that stuck mental state, you won't make anything.
I guess I'm coming to terms with where I'm at. I really don't want to.
You gotta break through that thin wall. And that helps me just to pick up the camera and start shooting things, messing around with lighting. And then it sort of like picks up. I just want to thank a lot of you that sit and watch my videos. I know who you are, and I'm kidding. I just appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos, and you're getting something out of it, and you enjoy it. I love making them, as tough as they are to make them. When they're done, they're like my little somethings, and I gotta let them out into the world. So I thank you for being there. I would like to connect with some of you if you want to leave a comment and we can have a conversation. Maybe I can help you with starting a YouTube channel, coming up with new ideas. Anything. Throw a comment in there and we'll have a conversation. I want to connect with the people that are watching my channel. Subscribe. I don't say that much, but it does something, man. It's phenomenal when people get on board and they subscribe.
You can't take away my dopeness.